pioneer of technologies for air pollution prevention, JOIL Enterprise. Responsibility for creating a clean environment with its honesty, sincerity, and best. A specialist manufacturer of pollution control parts, JOIL Enterprise. Managing to create customer values and to satisfy customers. Managing to respect human beings and to contribute to society of members. The foundation of corporation management of JOIL Enterprise is social contribution through its development. Perpetual challenge and passion, JOIL Enterprise continues to grow in healthy. May 1976, founded JOIL Machinery Industry. March 1989, succeeded in domestically producing of Diaphragm Valve. August 1995, started Diaphragm Valve export to nations in China and Southeast Asia. April 1998, completed construction of a new headquarters plant. August 2005, awarded the Minister's Prize for Technology Innovation from the Ministry of Commerce, Industry, and Energy. June 2007, acquired the certification for a parts and components specialty company. September 2007, acquired CE certification. October 2007, acquired the InnoBiz certification. January 2010, developed and released large capacity diaphragm valve. January 2013, developed and released large capacity diaphragm valve. September 2014, acquired WPS certification. January 2017, acquired patent, assembly structure of cartridge filter with one-touch fitting. Like JOIL Enterprise's reputation, like its technology, business scope. With its core technology, JOIL Enterprise designs, manufactures, and supplies core products such as diaphragm valve, bag cage, rotary valve, damper, various conveyors, etc. for all of the de-dusting, filtration, dispensing, and transfer systems used in dust collection and facilities. JOIL Enterprise is leading the 21st century with the ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 9001 CE certification, WPS PQR certification, a designated company for military service exemption, a technical competitiveness excellent company, small hidden champion certification, parts and components specialty company certification, enterprise affiliated research center approval, InnoBiz certification, leading company certification, continuous research and high technology development. JOIL Enterprise Research System, shapes of a rich future where human beings and nature are harmonized. Patent registration, assembly structure of cartridge filter with one-touch fitting. Patent registration, rotary valve with improved air tightness and durability. Patent application, cleaning nozzle for dust collector filters enhancing flow rate. Utility model, protective cover for diaphragm valve solenoid coil. Utility model, two-step separation cage for filter dust collectors. Utility model, projection Venturi. Utility model, center aligning cage for filter dust collectors. Utility model, one-touch terminal for solenoid coil. Utility model, cartridge filter with one-touch fitting. New standards with new technology. JOIL Enterprises de-dusting system, diaphragm valve, airheader, enclosure, multi-timer, differential pressure timer, remote control timer, connector, manometer. High-quality mass production system with advanced facilities. JOIL Enterprises filtration system, bag cage, filter bag, cartridge filter, Venturi. Perfect removal of solids, liquids, and particles in contaminated gases. JOIL Enterprises dust collector, bag filter dust collector, portable dust collector. The best quality achieved with JOIL's advanced technology, dispensing and transfer systems. Rotary valve, slide gate, damper, double flap damper, screw conveyor, flow chain conveyor, quantitative feeder, bucket elevator, Pug Mill. JOIL Enterprise is active engaged with steel mills and steelmakers such as POSCO and Hyundai Steel, major enterprises, large and public institutions, and companies in overseas markets in China, Japan, and Southeast Asia. High technology to keep a clean environment for the future. JOIL Enterprise is accountable for the creation. A pioneer of technologies for air pollution prevention, JOIL Enterprise.